Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to prevent friends from posting on your Facebook profile. In today's video, we'll walk you through the updated process to keep your timeline clean and under your control. Let's dive right in. First, open up the Facebook app on your smartphone. You'll want to look for the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. This is your menu button. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, scroll down through the menu options until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on that and then select Settings from the sub-menu that appears. In the Settings menu, you'll find a section called Audience and Visibility. Under this, look for Profile and Tagging and give it a tap. Here's where the magic happens. Find the option that says Who can post on your profile and tap on it. You'll see a list of choices, but for maximum control, we're going to select Only Me. Once you've tapped Only Me, don't forget to hit the Save button to lock in your choice. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your Facebook settings to prevent friends from posting directly on your profile. This means you'll have full control over what appears on your timeline. Remember, this doesn't stop friends from tagging you in their own posts or photos, but it does ensure that your profile remains exactly as you want it. It's always a good idea to review your privacy settings regularly, as Facebook often updates its features. This way, you can make sure your profile stays as private or as open as you prefer. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps you maintain your Facebook profile just the way you like it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more social media tips and tricks. See you in the next one.